Hey everyone, just want to give you a quick update for you Jane users guys. So what we have added that we're going to roll out to every one of you within a day or two. We added two more custom fields for you guys, and one of them is credit card expiry formatted. And the way that it's going to look like, so if one of your patient have a credit card on file, you will get the expiry date in a format that you can actually set up a reminder based on that. So the format of the credit card expiry would be exactly like the appointment reminder. So you can set up automation based on that and remind them that, hey, the card that we have on the file for you, it's going to expire in a month, in 2 months, or whatever. Please use these links and update it. And if it comes as empty, that means that that patient doesn't have any credit card with you on the file. So that's one thing. Super excited putting that up. And then the next one is intake forms summary. So this is basically any intake form that your patient has filled out. So if I bring up this demo Jane app, so this comes from here. So if they have filled out any intake form, that intake forms with the name and with the submission date is going to come in that field, similar to what we have for patient notes. So if it's like they fill out like four of them, it will come just as a large section of text with saying that which one they filled out. So this is again helpful for those of you that, hey, if it's a new patient and they need to have at least one of these intake form filled out, then if it's empty, that means that you need to send a reminder for them and being able to ask them to fill that out, which we're gonna do that in the next video. That's for those of you that were looking for how to do the intake form, and that is the new feature update that I'm gonna put that in the next video. But yeah, this is going to be out soon, and you will be start seeing the new updates for your patients. They will be getting these two fields as well. Once again, this comes from you guys asking for this type of feature, so feel free always to, you know how to reach me. Feel free to let me know if you have any other requests or anything, and we can see if we can make it happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.